calculating the mark of the beast. Part 1. This video is going to speak about why is 6 said 3 different times at the same time. So let's first read Revelation chapter 13 verse 18. That's Revelation chapter 13 verse 18. It reads, "This is where it calls for wisdom. Let the one who has insight calculate the number of the wild beast." So I'm going to stop right there for a second. Those two things are important. It's saying, let the one who has wisdom and insight calculate the number of the beast. Now, why would they say this? Because there's a meaning, something important behind it. Okay, so I'm going to read it again. This is where it calls for wisdom. Let the one who has insight calculate the number of the wild beasts, for it is a man's number, and its number is 666. End quote. So, what we're doing is calculating the meaning of the number so that we can understand what 666 means. So we just read Revelation chapter 13 verse 18. Now let's add up why it says 6 3 different times. We're not adding up what is the meaning of 6 on this video. That's on part 2. We're adding up why is 666 said 3 different times. That's the only point we're trying to understand in this video. We're trying to highlight in this video. Let's go to Revelation chapter 4 verse 8. Revelation chapter 4 verse 8 reads, "As for the 4 living creatures, each one of them had 6 wings. They were full of eyes all around and underneath. And consequently, day and night, they say, Holy, holy, holy is Jehovah God, the Almighty, who was and who is and who is coming." End quote. So these angels, it's making reference to these angels are saying day and night, holy, holy, holy. Now, why are they saying it 3 times? And then there's a pause, and then they say it 3 times again, and there's a pause, and they keep a rhythm system of saying it 3 different times. Well, it's said to emphasize importance. When somebody is saying something in the Bible, like the angels, and they say it 3 different times, it's signifying and highlighting it's of much importance. So it's not just them saying holy, like pay attention, I just said holy. It's holy, holy, holy. Boom. That's the highlight point. They said it 3 times to signify a highlight emphasis of importance. Let's now go to Revelation chapter 8 in verse 13. Again, that's Revelation chapter 8, verse 13, where it says, "And I saw and I heard an eagle flying in mid-heaven say with a loud voice, Woe, woe, woe to those dwelling on the earth, because of the rest of the trumpet blast of the 3 angels who are about to blow their trumpets." So what point stands out in this verse? Well, again, there's an angel speaking, and the angel is in the mid heavens, and the angel is saying a message. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The angel says it 3 different times. Again, to signify highlighted emphasis, highlighted importance. So things are said 3 times to show a highlight of how something is important to be noticed. And 6 is said 3 times to highlight that it's important to see the 6 and what does it mean as the meaning of the 6. Because the 6 is repeated 3 times.